Hello, this is Mr. Ralphs. I'm here to teach you math today. We're dealing with 4.8 today. Super excited. This is dividing using partial quotients. Remember, a quotient is it's the answer to a division problem, okay, which is important here. Now, how this is going to work. So if I have 125 divided by 5, they want us to draw another box, and we can do this. What I'm going to say first here, I'm going to say 5 times what goes into 12. 5 times what is closest to 12 without going over, and we'll just split our box. Okay, and we'll put our divisor here. So 5 times, okay, 2. But because of this 5, I've got to add a 0. So 5 times 2 is 100. Okay, now I take 125 minus my 100, and I get 525. So now I say 5 times what is closest to 25? 5 times, 5. And then 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, so my answer is I'm going to add these two. 20 plus 5 equals 25. And to make sure I'm correct, what's in my box should equal my dividend. So 100 plus 25 is 125, which matches my dividend. Okay, so let's try another one. If I have 246 divided by 3, I'm going to make my box, I'm going to divide it, I'm going to put 3 on the outside. So 3 times what is closest to 24? 3 times 3 times 8. But because this 6 is here, I got to add a 0. So 8 times 3 is 24, and bring that 0 down. So 240. Now I have to say, do 246 minus 240, and I get 6. So 3 times what is closest to 6? Or 3 times what is 6? We know it's 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So all I have to do is add these two up, which 80 plus 2 is 82. To double check that it's right, 246 plus 6 is 246. It matches my dividend here, so my answer must be correct. One more. Let's do 2. Actually, let's move that 2 further up so I've got room. 224 divided by 7. We're going to draw our box down here. We're going to put our divisor there. Now we're going to say 7 times what is closest to 22 without going over? 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21, and because of this 4, I've got to add a 0. Okay, now I'm going to minus 210 from 224, and I get 14. So 7 times what is 14? 7 times 2. Oh, and don't forget, I have to add my 0 there because I added it here, so I have to add it there. So don't forget that. I just about did. 2 times 7 is 14. Now I add those two, so 30 plus 2 equals 32. And to double check, 210 plus 14 is 224, and that matches. So this is 4.8. Enjoy. If you need any help, just give me a call. Otherwise, join me next time as I teach 4.9. Have a great night.